Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about what to do if you attach a USB or a hard drive to your PC and it doesn't show on your screen. If this is the issue you are facing, there is a couple of reasons for that. The first reason, it could be a broken USB port. Another reason, there is an issue in the partition in the USB. A third reason, it could be there is unsupported files in the USB. And the last reason, it could be the driver to open this USB is outdated. So we're gonna tackle these issues one by one. Let's start with the broken USB port. To know if the USB port is not working, remove the hard disk or the USB and put it in another USB port. See if that would work or no. If the USB is showing, that means the USB port is not working. However, if the USB is still not showing, then we're gonna check another solution. Now, sometimes the problem is not in the USB port, but it is in the cable connecting the hard drive to your PC. Maybe the cable is loose or cut or broken. That's why the connection is not being established. So check if you have another cable. Try to replace the cable to check is the problem with the USB port or in the cable connecting the USB or the hard drive to your PC. Now let's explore another issue and see how it can be resolved. The partition issue in the USB drive. To check that, you need to go to the search toolbar here and type disk management. You can see as a best match, create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now you can see here the list of disks that are attached to your PC, like hard disk or USB. Even if it doesn't show on your screen, it should show on the list here. So as you can see, I have a USB attached and there is unallocated storage, and that unallocated storage will not show in the list. So what I should do, right click on it and then click on new simple volume, click on next, click on next, next, and finish. So once this is done, now I can access this storage because it's already allocated. So check if you have unallocated data, then follow the steps that I showed you and you should have access to this storage. But before you access it again, remove your USB or external drive and put it back. Now another issue you could be facing, and that's why you can't access the storage you have on the USB or external hard drive. There is no letter assigned to the USB drive or your external hard drive. What to do in this case? Right click on the space here where your disk or USB is located on the disk management. Right click and then click on change drive letter and the paths, and then click on the letter you want that USB drive to be linked to. Click on add and then click on OK. Once this is done, remove your USB, put it again, and you should be able to see your USB on your screen. Now, if that didn't work as well for you, now another reason which you can't access that USB is that it's not supported. The USB or the external drive is not supported by your system. To make it supported, what you need to do first, you need to back up all the data that you have on that external hard drive, because you will have to format this hard drive so you can use it on your system. By formatting it, you will lose all the data. So you need to have a backup of all this data. So right click here and click on format and then click on OK. Formatting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup any data you want to keep before formatting. So as I said, you need to back up all this data so you can format that external hard drive to be compatible with your system. Once you do that, continue with the steps and then you can put that data again on that external hard drive and you can access it from your system again. Now, if all these solutions didn't work for you, the last solution that you can apply, go to your search toolbar and type device manager, click on it, go to the last option, universal serial bus controller, expand it, and here you can see USB composite device, USB mass storage device, USB root hub. You can update the drivers for all these three. What you need to do, you just need to right click on each one of them and click on update the driver and then follow the suggestions until they are all updated. After doing so, try again to access your USB. That should work for you. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.